Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Transit headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a T20 Torx bit, and your new H7 headlight bulb. Before starting, make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This ensures your safety throughout the process. The main steps involve carefully removing the entire headlight unit to access the bulb. Now, let's get to accessing the headlight unit. Begin by opening the hood of your Ford Transit. You'll see two retaining bolts positioned on the top of the headlight unit. Take your T20 Torx bit and carefully loosen, then completely remove both of these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward. It should release from its lower clips with a slight tug, allowing you to pull it out. With the headlight unit out, you can now access the bulb. First, disconnect the main electrical connector from the back of the unit by pressing the tab and pulling. Next, locate the bulb holder. It's usually a round cap. Twist this holder counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from the headlight housing. Carefully pull out the old H7 bulb. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. To finish up, reinsert the bulb holder into the housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely in place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the headlight unit. Carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its original position, ensuring the lower clips engage properly. Reinstall and tighten the two T20 Torx retaining bolts on top. Finally, test your new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.